friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Vata. In this video, we are going to learn the concepts of quadratic equation. Now, the quadratic equation means the equation in which the degree is 2. Degree means we know degree is the highest power of the variable present in the equation. So, the degree is 2. Now, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now in this I have used variable x and a, b, c are coefficients. Now a, b, c are real numbers. That means it can be a rational number or irrational number, anything. But again one more condition is there, that is a should not be equal to 0. A should not be equal to 0. What will happen if a is equal to 0? So if we write 0 here, 0x square will be equal to 0. That means the square term will not be present in the equation. Therefore, it will not be a quadratic equation in that case. So we are going to write two examples. Suppose 2x square plus 4 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Now, what is the minimum need of the quadratic equation? The square term must be present. Now, here if the middle term or the constant is not present, that does not matter. The square term must be present. So, again another example we will write 4m square minus m is equal to 0. Now in this case the middle term is not there, and in this case the constant is not taken. Therefore, so here these are the two examples. Now we are taking the examples questions from exercise 2.1. So question number 2. Here we have to decide whether these equations are quadratic or not. So for that the main condition is the square term must be present. So here the square term is there, therefore it is a quadratic equation. So I am writing here yes or no. So yes, it is quadratic equation. Now in the second case also here y square is present. Therefore this equation is also a quadratic equation. Now in the third case, here y square term is present, but here the the power of this variable y is minus 1. So if we want to remove this y from denominator side, we have to multiply this equation by y. So y multiplied by y square, it will become y cube plus here if we multiply by y, so y will get cancelled. So is equal, here 1 is equal to, here if we multiply by y, it will become 2y. So here the degree of this equation will become 3. Now if I write it properly, we can write y cube minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is not a quadratic equation, it will become a cubic equation. So it is not a quadratic equation. Now in this case, if we multiply these two brackets, so m square, m into m square minus 5m plus 2m, 2 into minus 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Then m square minus 5m plus 2m, that is minus 3m plus minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation. So here we can write yes. Now next. Now by observation we say that it is not a quadratic, but this equation is a quadratic equation, because if we remove this x from the denominator side, for that we have to multiply this equation by x. So x multiplied by x, it will become x square plus, if we multiply here by x and this x will get cancelled. So here 1 remains, is equal to minus 2x. Now if we write it properly, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. So here we can write yes. Now this equation, by observation itself we can say that it is not a quadratic equation, because here the highest power of the variable is 3. That means the degree of this equation is 3. Therefore it is not a quadratic equation. So here no. Now in question number 3, we have to write the given equation in general form, and after that we have to write the values of a, b, c. So first of all, expand this bracket. So x square minus 2x plus 1. A square minus 2 into a into b. 2 into x, 2x multiplied by 1, 2x plus 1 square, 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. So x square minus 2x, this 2x will also come on the left hand side. So minus 2x plus 1, and take this plus 3 on this side, will become minus 3. So x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here we have to write the sentence comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to minus 2. So in this way we can compare with the general equation and get the values of a, b, c. या ठिकाणी या ब्रॅकेट ओपन करायचा, p into 3, 3p, p into 6p plus 6p square is equal to minus 5. So 6p square, square term first, then middle term, that is 3p, and plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we have to write this sentence again here, comparing with the general equation, general quadratic equation. We get a is equal to 6, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 5. So in this way we can compare the given equations with the general quadratic equation and get the values of a, b, and c. One more example from the same question. Here first of all we have to open this bracket. So x square plus 5x is equal to minus 3 minus plus x. Now take all the terms on left hand side. It will become x square plus 5x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. उजवीकडच्या टर्म्स ज्यावेळेस आपण डावीकडे घेतो त्यावेळेस त्यांचं चिन्ह बदलायचं, प्लस असेल तर मायनस, मायनस असेल तर प्लस. सो एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 3. So in this way we get values. Now in the next example we have to find out whether these two values are root of the equation or not. So for that we have to put this value in the given equations. So put m is equal to 2 in LHS of equation. So LHS is 2m स्क्वेअर मायनस 5m. m च्या ठिकाणी ही किंमत ठेवायची. 2 गुणिले 2 चा वर्ग वजा 5 गुणिले 2. 2 गुणिले 2 चा वर्ग हा 4. 4 गुणिले 2 हे झालं 8 वजा 5 गुणिले 2 10. याची वजा बाकी आली वजा 2. 10 मधून 8 गेले 2. मोठ्या संख्ये चिन्ह वजा म्हणून वजा 2. सो LHS. So let it be step number 1 and RHS is equal to 0. So LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS and RHS are not equal. That means equation is not satisfied. Therefore, या ठिकाणी लिहितो मी त्याचं शेवटचं उत्तर. Therefore, m is equal to 2 is not root of equation. हे रूट नाही. LHS is not equal to RHS म्हणून not root. पण हे जर इक्वल आलं असतं तर हे रूट झालं असतं. आपण दुसरी किंमत पाहू. मग put m is equal to 5/2 in LHS. So LHS is equal to 2 multiplied by 5/2 bracket square minus 5 into m that is 5/2. So 2 multiplied by 25/4 minus this is 25/2. Now 25 here, sorry, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it becomes 25/2 minus 25/2 that is 0 is equal to RHS. So we started with LHS and lastly we got RHS. Therefore here we can write the equation is satisfied. Therefore m is equal to 5/2 is a root of the equation. Now this is question number 5. Kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. One root is 3. आता रूट म्हणजे आपल्या लक्षात आलेलं आहे की ज्यावेळेस आपण ही किंमत एखादी किंमत ठेवतो त्यावेळेस LHS आणि RHS इक्वल येते. मग हे रूट आहे याचा अर्थ हे इक्वल आहे. मग डायरेक्ट आपण ही किंमत याच्यामध्ये ठेवायची. मग पुट x is equal to 3 in equation. So k into 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 3 square 9, 9k minus 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 9k minus 27 is equal to 0. 9k is equal to 27. K is equal to 27/9. That is k is equal to 3. In this way we can solve this example. Now the same way we have to follow for this example. So put m is equal to -7/5 in equation. So 5 into -7/5 bracket square plus 2 into -7/5 plus k is equal to 0. So 5 into 49/25. 7 चा वर्ग 49 आणि 5 चा वर्ग 25 अधिक नाही सॉरी plus and here minus, plus minus minus, 2 into 7 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So it will be 49 upon 5 minus 14 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. So the denominator is same as it is 5. 49 minus 14. So 9 minus 4, 5. 4 minus 1, 3 plus k is equal to 0, that is 7 plus k is equal to 0, k is equal to minus 7. So lastly we can write in sentence the value of k is minus 7.